Hello guys and hello guys and welcome back. Part 2. Try to finish this stupid obby. Get this over with. Okay, I don't mean to do this in the middle of a video, guys, but I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom. Sorry about that, but I'm back. Still sick, obviously. Okay. My phone is so nasty. Ugh. Yeah. Really? Did I seriously just fail that jump? That is sad. I'm just a sad person. I'm a pathetic being with how I failed the easy. I can't even make it past the first part of the obby in the video. If I can't even, I'm gonna kill myself. No, happy Christmas. Happy 3 months being away from being 13. Like, was I just talking? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. I started talking to myself. I didn't even say anything about it. It's this way. Ah. Present? Present. Got it? Came all this way for a dumb I'm just joking. Thanks, I guess. Shortcut. Ah. Eh. 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 What is that over there? Oh no, wait, I was over there. I can tell by the little lava part. I see the lava. No, 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 no. No. Stop! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I think we've made it. We've made it basically basically made it back to where we were. Sorry about it. Okay, wait. There you go. Supposed to jump on that? Okay. Yay, we made it after 5 minutes already. Now on the forest team, okay. Oh no. Like I said earlier, left is always right. Left is always right. Right is always right. Dang it. Maybe this way? Dang it. Wait, was there a person at the beginning? Oh, I'm so sorry. What did you say? Can you make it through the forest, mate? Probably. I mean, I just have to keep going until I find the right path. Left is always right. They said, it'll never fail you. They said, but they lied. They lied. Just another dead end. This better be the way. Oh, there's 2 ways to go. It's over here. Dang it. I went literally every wrong way before I go the right way. I go, really? Really? Of course, that's just my luck. I just go the... Ooh. 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 There's nothing up here. What a waste of my time. I want to stay on this mushroom. What's that arrow pointing to? Black? Obviously, I know that's not what they're pointing at. I see you made it out. Now you'll have to make it to that cave there. This one? Okay. Easy peasy. I didn't actually... Why do I keep making mistakes? I hate this. This is horrible. Leave me alone. Only my breath. Oh gosh, I didn't take enough breath. Oh no. Okay, we're back. Still not right there, but no, we're close enough. Am I really gonna have to make part 3? It took me so long just to get here. It's already been 8 minutes. Stupid. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Whoa. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. Is this the cave I'm supposed to go in? Yeah. Why are they green? No, it doesn't kill me. Okay. You are now on the underground team. Great. Because I wanted to be underground. Definitely. Definitely stay away from me. I'm not even going to try and guess. I'm already pretty sure that y'all are probably just going to kill me. Lukey. Must be for that door. Yes, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Open sesame. Open sesame bun seeds. Just run. Just run across. Just jump. What the world? Ah. 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 It's this one. You are now on this leading. Find Spook this puzzle. Don't get lost trying to find King Spook. This puzzle will follow you. 3 of these rooms hold keys that lead to the next room. Find out what the first key is. Okay. Is it in here? Is this a key? Ah! So nice. Hey, I got an ore, Luigi. Ugh, he's ugly. Red key, green key, yellow key. I don't have any of those. I have a blue key. Red key, green key, yellow key. No, yet all I have is a blue key. Whoa. Teleport up there. I mean, I saw Chili outside. Maybe that's where it is. Well, I was gonna just jump off, but I mean, that works too. Just going under the railing. That works just as well, I guess. Speed! To the back. Broken window. What do you want me to do? Break in? Red key! That's to the one on the only one. The one that's locked on the first floor, right? I think so. Pretty sure. Open. Can I get that teleport up here? You literally think I'm blind. That's another red key. Think I'm literally blind. Oh. Green key! Teal key. No, it's green. It looks teal. It looks like teal, light, sky blue. Like. Oh, I didn't even notice there was a key back there, but it's probably just to the back. It's in here. Oh, I don't think there's mazes. Oh no. Not a maze! I am not amazed by this maze. This maze does not amaze me. Hey, yellow key. I finally, hopefully, leave this place. Oh, it's gonna be in my inventory. Move out of the way, blue key. You're the most useless because you weren't even needed for any of the doors in this house. I literally got you before I even came here. It goes back this way. Is that a crack? Why is the floor saying is that a crack in the back? I'm walking on the railing. Okay. Huh. You made it. I'll let you take this portal for getting here, thanks. Ooh, what's this one? We're now on the toy team. Okay. Oh, I hate these. Stay away from me. Oh, that was close. Oh, you gotta get over there. So I'm literally just, I can literally just walk around. It's not that hard. It's not as hard as you may think. I would think of it as. This is easy. It's top of this mountain moon. Okay, this is gonna be the last one. I guess I'm gonna have to make a third part. Eh. 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 Either I make it to the next part, or I die once. Eh. 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 What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing. Just grades. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Nope. Do you have anything to say for yourself? You see everything from here. Yeah, you really can. Ah! Ah! I want to try it. We'll try the stage, fine. If I die, it's over. I'm leaving. Huh. Touch me. Oh my god. Ugh! I made it! Oh. Yeah! Whoa. I did not play that song last time. Ooh, this way. Whoa. What's different about this way? Who is you? Okay, it's cool. Those are broken caves. That's not a good thing. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I made it. Go. I made it. Oh my god, I have to end this video, guys. It's long. It's longer than the first part now. Bye, guys.